To send a Hush secure form, just click to sign into your account here on hushmail.com. In the top left-hand corner, click on Compose. We'll send this test message to a test Gmail account that we have here. And then we're going to click to add a form here. So add form gives us a list of forms that we've already created or templates that we've already selected for our account. And in this case, I'm going to just select just the intake form adult. And we'll go ahead and click on add forms. And then in the top left-hand corner, we're going to click on send. Now if we go to our test Gmail account and we click here, you notice that we don't see the message or the form immediately. We don't want that. We want to access that on a secure web page. So instead they get a button that says read your secure message here. We're going to click on that. Here we're prompted to access the message securely by continuing with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, or they can create a password. We'll go ahead and click on Google. Select the account. And there we go. Here you'll notice that we have the message that we included in our email. And if we scroll down, we have the fields for them to fill out. I'm going to fill this out. And if you are using e-signatures, you'll notice that they have three options. They can either type their signature, draw it, or they can upload an image. Most people will draw it or type it out. Either way, it's just as legally binding. So notice that we have a confirmation message here. So at this point, we can hop back into the Hushmail mailbox to see what that looks like. We've received their response, and if I click on this message here, we have everything from the fields that they filled out, everything that we marked required. We have the signature and the date, and then down below we have exactly when it was completed and signed. And that's how you send a Hush secure form with your Hushmail account.